If you've ever wondered how to remove your WhatsApp account from other devices, or how to log out from devices you no longer have access to, you're in the right place. So if you've logged in with your WhatsApp account on some other device, but you now need to remove it, then you want to open the WhatsApp application on your device, and I'll open it on my iPhone device. The buttons will probably be a little bit different if you're an Android user. So if you're currently on your Android device, you need to tap on the three dots at the top left or the top right, and a couple of options should show up. And one of those options will be Linked Devices. But if you're on your iOS device like I am, you want to tap on the Settings option at the bottom right corner of the screen until you get to this page. After this step, we will simply tap on Linked Devices right here, and then that will open another page in the WhatsApp settings where it will show you all of the different devices on which you're logged into with your WhatsApp account. I only have one device in here, and all I have to do is to simply tap on the device from which I want to log out, and then tap Log Out right here. Your WhatsApp account will now be removed from that other device on which you're logged into. If you need more similar WhatsApp tutorial videos like this one, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.